Whenever someone makes a decision to start something new, the impact of that initiative can pretty much be predicted by first examining their reason why. The why is important because it's actually the force behind the drive. It's the opponent that all opposition must face when challenged. Now, to better understand the trajectory of our company's landing place, we would first have to know our why. And our why was love. The love that the young Oscar Horton had for his father. As his father lived a life filled with integrity in the marketplace, the young Oscar sat back and watched how integrity can earn so much respect as he used it to make great impact to many lives in his community, including his families. So, as a father did, now does the child. A wise man once said, "You don't choose your purpose, you discover it." It was through his journey of following his father's footsteps where he discovered his gift of managing people and leading them to success. You know, everything reflects leadership. In fact, it's because of that leadership our company has experienced consistent growth patterns dating back to the year 2000. Even during those challenging times, we still push through. Because remember, our why is the opponent that all opposition must face. We can't lose, and so we won't. While our company's growth increases, our culture of integrity continues to refine and cleanse our team so that the substance of our brand is never compromised. As integrity flows through our culture, it also began molding the hearts of our leadership with developing a passion and an unyielding desire to do more. Our efforts in the community are just as important as the establishment of our company's survival. We believe, as we grow, so should the people around us.
But it was something inside of me that said I wanted to move on and do something on my own. Part of it is my father. My father was always in business for himself. Certainly he didn't run a 200 employee company or hundreds of millions of dollars, but I saw him operate in the community and I saw the respect that he was able to garner. So it's that tone that drove it. And that's a big part of our success. There's been the involvement in the community. We will not survive if we don't find ways to continually, to strongly support the community.
Standing in this room are the greatest, most committed,
most responsible people
this world has ever known. Yes, I can.
Yes, we will.
I am. We are
the greatest.
We give back because love inspires us to. So know this, Sun State International is not just a good company, but it's a team of great people who were inspired by our why, which charged them to discover their why, and by doing so, developed a force that was packaged into a service that we now offer our customers. We are Sun State International, and this is our why statement.